Ready to ditch the back and forth and execute Bybit trades directly from your TradingView charts? Let's get your Bybit account linked to TradingView in just a few simple steps so you can trade with maximum efficiency. First, head down to the trading panel at the bottom of your TradingView window. It's usually at the very bottom. Next, scroll through the list of brokers until you find Bybit. Click on the Bybit logo to initiate the connection. A new window will pop up asking you to authorize TradingView's access to your Bybit account. This is a secure process. Click the Connect button, which will redirect you to Bybit's official website or a secure Bybit window within TradingView. You'll now be prompted to log into your Bybit account using your registered email or phone number and password. Make sure it's the correct one. Once you've logged in, Bybit will ask you to confirm that you want to allow TradingView to access your account. Review the permissions carefully, and then click Confirm. And just like that, your Bybit account is linked. You should now see your account balance and be able to place orders directly from the TradingView chart. Now you can use the buy and sell panels directly on TradingView and Bybit will be pre-selected. Start trading from your chart today and stay tuned for more helpful TradingView tips.